Top up or top down, Solstice is pure roadster. To maximize your sensory experience, we suggest you drop the top. For starters, press the button on your key fob or in your glove box for a sequential release of the buttresses and deck lid. Then turn the interior latch to unlock the top. Lift the deck lid and guide the top down. Once it's fully retracted and stowed, simply secure the deck lid in place. The design of the clamshell deck lid provides a seamless top-down appearance while still allowing 1.4 cubic feet for storage. What better feeling than the open-air freedom of a roadster that's starting at $19,995.